Aggression is one of the most visible and troubling aspects of human behavior. It raises urgent questions about violence, conflict, and harm, both at the individual level and across societies. Social psychology approaches aggression not as a simple product of bad people, but as a complex interaction between biological predispositions, psychological processes, and social environments. Aggression is defined as behavior intended to harm another individual who is motivated to avoid that harm. This definition emphasizes intention. Accidental injury, for example, does not qualify as aggression. Aggression can take many forms, including physical violence, verbal hostility, relational harm, and symbolic aggression. While the expression of aggression varies widely across cultures and contexts, its presence is a universal human concern. Biological factors contribute to aggression, including genetic predispositions, hormonal influences, and neural mechanisms. However, biology alone cannot explain when and why aggression occurs. Many individuals with biological risk factors never act aggressively, while others engage in aggression only under specific conditions. This variability highlights the importance of situational and social influences. Psychological theories of aggression focus on frustration, emotional arousal, and learned behavior. Frustration can increase the likelihood of aggression, particularly when individuals perceive injustice or blocked goals. Emotional states such as anger and fear further amplify aggressive impulses. Importantly, aggression is also learned. People observe aggressive models in families, peer groups, and media, internalizing beliefs about when aggression is acceptable or justified. Social and cultural factors play a decisive role. Norms that legitimize violence, glorify dominance, or frame aggression as strength can normalize harmful behavior. Group dynamics may diffuse responsibility, allowing individuals to act aggressively in ways they would avoid alone. De-individuation, when people feel anonymous within a crowd, can further reduce self-regulation and moral restraint. Media exposure has been a particular focus of social psychological research. While violent media does not cause aggression in a simple or deterministic way, repeated exposure can desensitize individuals, reinforce aggressive scripts, and shape expectations about conflict resolution. Social psychology also emphasizes that aggression is context-dependent. High stress, substance use, perceived threats, and power imbalances all increase the likelihood of aggressive behavior. Understanding these conditions is essential for prevention and intervention. Reducing aggression requires more than punishment. Effective strategies include teaching emotional regulation, promoting nonviolent norms, strengthening social support, and addressing structural stressors such as inequality and marginalization. By focusing on context as well as character, social psychology provides a more realistic framework for reducing harm.